Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Cavalier will be seeking to overturn their 2-0 deficit from the first leg when they face Inter Miami in the Concacaf Champions Cup at the National Stadium. Speaking at a press conference yesterday, technical director of Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, says he's confident that they can pull it off.
Our aim is to play better than we did in the first leg. Of course, it's not just mean to us. I think this is a Jamaican effort. Jamaica need to do well so we can be taken more serious. Our players will be taken more serious. I think so far we have done well, but our aim is to do better. So it's not a personal thing, it's a country thing.
The two teams will meet at 7 p.m. with the away goals rule in effect. Arnett Gardens look to cut the deficit to 10 points of Mount Pleasant's lead in the Jamaica Premier League when they face Dumbeholding, as 3 games are scheduled for the competition today. Arnett are on 58 points in second, while Dumbeholding are 9th on 32. Waterhouse will also be seeking to keep their playoff spot intact when they host informed team Racing United at the Jerusalem Mini Stadium. Only goal difference separate the two teams. Also at the Wembley Centre of Excellence, Veer United will play Montego Bay United. All matches are scheduled for 3:30 p.m. ISA President Keith Wellington is predicting some outstanding performances at this year's ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, with hundreds of athletes seeking to shine on the newly relayed stadium track. Wellington was speaking during last evening's launch.
The efforts of the various coaches around the island must be commended and will play a key role in determining the outcome of championships, as more schools are producing athletes to factor on the points table. So it's not 3 colors at champs anymore, right? Champs is now a multicolored event.
According to the ISA president, the uncertainty surrounding the 115th staging of the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is now a thing of the past, as the track will enhance the overall quality of the championship. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday
Thank you, Christopher, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.